Right now, as a single director, I'm just managing all the things for my company. There is no any second employee right now, so I just started with a very small scale. But I'm planning to hire one employee in next 2 months. So as per PF rule and other ESI, at least some 10 to 20 employees I should have to proceed with those uh, PF deductions. So if I just hiring 2 employees for my company, is it I should whether I should furnish all those mandatory like this minimum wages
You
act
need
and
not to. You
yeah.
need not do all those PF and ESI, but you need to have a good offer letter to
Okay.
protect your intellectual property. This is where we miss out sometimes. So
Okay.
get this offer letter. If you want, again, Startup Lanes can give it to you. It
Okay.
costs you only 3,000 rupees, and you can utilize this offer letter n number of times every time
Okay.
you hire an employee. So that is most important while you hire an employee. The offer letter should be robust and it should protect your intellectual property because
Okay.
you never know which employee is working from where at this moment.
Okay. Okay.
Once it grows more than 10 employees, before PF, you would be requiring POSH compliance, prevention of sexual harassment.
Okay.
That is mandatory when you have more than 10 employees. Or
Okay.
if you have any female employee, even one, you might be requiring POSH compliance from day one.
Okay. You are saying that offer letter is the main and it's a major thing. Is there any other
Yeah.
thing that I should follow if
Uh,
I hire a male candidate right now? Single
Yeah, so yeah, if you are hiring a male candidate, beside you don't need any posh, but yes, offer letter and do some background check. That's very important for you because
Okay.
right now this is becoming a challenge now. Take all the
Okay.
documents.
The salary that I'm going to fix is purely on my decision, right? Is it like any that what where the minimum wages act comes to the picture here?
There are certain rules imposed by different states.
Okay.
Like in Delhi, state of Delhi, you will find a minimum wages concept, wages not salaries.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
applies for blue collars. But
Okay.
this definition, you need to understand and read that definition for Delhi. Similarly, for Karnataka and Haryana, there
Okay.
is a
Okay.
reservation of local candidates. So if
Okay.
your
Okay.
company is from Karnataka or Haryana, you need to hire a minimum percentage of those local candidates from that
Okay.
particular state.
Okay. Fine. Thanks.